Blood clotting or coagulation is a biological process that stops bleeding. Hemostasis is the process in which bleeding is stopped. Hello guys, we will be learning about the process of hemostasis. But first, let me introduce the different components involved in this process. These are the platelets. These are the RBCs. These are the WBCs. As you can see in the video, this is the normal flow of our blood vessel. When there is an injury, a blood vessel is severed. Blood and blood components such as WBC and erythrocytes are leaking out of the breaks. Platelets are activated by chemicals released from the injured cells and by contact of broken collagen. There are three pathways involved in coagulation cascade. First is the extrinsic pathway. It is triggered by the chemical called tissue factor that is released by damaged cells. Tissue factor will bind to the factor 7 forming factor 10. Next is the intrinsic pathway. Intrinsic pathway is triggered by blood coming out into contact with collagen fibers in the broken wall of a blood vessel. Prekallikrein will bind together with high molecular weight kininogen to factor 12 to become activated. Factor 11 will be activated by this complex. Factor 11 will signal the release of factor 9. Factor 8 will bind to factor 9 forming intrinsic tenase to activate factor 10. Let's proceed to the last pathway, the common factor pathway. Factor 10 will complex with factor 5 to activate factor 2. Factor 2 will be then activated forming thrombin. Thrombin is the most important enzyme in coagulation pathway. Factor 1 will be released and will be activated to fibrin. Fibrin is the key substrate in order to form fibrin clot, which is unstable. Here goes factor 13. This factor will stabilize the structure of fibrin clot. When a blood clot has served its function and the tissue underneath has been repaired, the clot needs to be removed. Fibrinolysis is the process in which fibrin is destroyed by an enzyme called plasmin. Plasmin will lyse the fibrin threads into smaller pieces and removed from the body by macrophage and eosinophils.